My name is Sakshi Gupta.
My name is Darshan.
Our project name is Sensor Module Interfacing. The objective of our project is to interface different sensors with Atmega 2560 microcontroller and to compile a set of learning modules for each of them. So the sensors we interfaced are TSOP 1738 IR receiver, accelerometer and magnetometer, and gyroscope. The first sensor that we interface is TSOP 1738 IR receiver. TSOP 1738 IR receiver is basically he receives the coded signal with the help of the remote, which uses the RC5 protocol. So in this demo we are using the interfacing the TSOP 1738 IR sensor with the Atmega 2560. So we are using the different buttons for this navigation of the ball. When we press 8, it should move backward and then stop. Mute button is used for stop. Then 2 for forward, stop. 4 is used for left and then stop. And 6 is used for right and then stop. So this is our first application. Our next application is to interface the magnetometer sensor with the 2560 robot. It is basically present in the IMU module, which you can see here. This is a IMU module which consists of accelerometer, magnetometer and gyroscope, but in this application we are using magnetometer. The magnetometer is basically used to determine the orientation of the bot with respect to earth axis. Whenever we are placed in the bot in any direction, it should point always in the north direction.
In this application, we have interfaced accelerometer and gyroscope to navigate one board with the help of another board. You can see here, this is a receiver board and this is a transmitter board. This will contain the IMU model, which will contain the accelerometer and gyroscope, and also we will be communicating from this board to this board using Zigbee model. If I tilt the board to the forward direction, this will move forward. So then, if I tilt this board backward, it will move forward, backward. Then stop. If I press this switch and turn this board to the right or left, the receiver board will take the appropriate action.
Basically, we face the challenges in interfacing the TSOP sensor. It does not give the proper command when we interface it. So this is the first one challenge that we have faced, and the challenges we are faced in to get the proper orientation using the gyroscope. It will mostly give the various random variations when we record the data for this, and we have to filter the data and just make it proper so that we should orientate the bot in a particular direction and get the proper data. So that's a basic challenge.
These sensors, accelerometer, gyroscope and magnetometers are used in spacecrafts and in submarines also to stabilize the system. It's used in quadcopters also to stabilize the quadcopter. So what is required is actually what we made is to interface this sensor with 5x5 robot and to prepare learning modules which will help build some more advanced systems.
During the e-Yantra competition, when there was a interview, I don't speak in front of a camera. I can say that I have a stage fear of that. But through this internship, after giving the progress presentation and giving the different demos and interviews, now I'm much more confident.
Yeah, now I feel like an IITian. It's been a wonderful experience being in IIT for 1 month, and I learned a lot of management skills and presentation skills, all those things. And thank you for providing this opportunity.